Hi, and welcome to On the Move, a show highlighting what's going on in your community. I'm Jessica Houston, your host. In this episode, we'll learn about the Glendale Medic program, find out about health insurance enrollment assistance, get some important tips on water conservation, discover Glendale's year-end crime trends, and find out about this year's upcoming One Book, One Glendale event. Did you know that an ambulance transport can cost as much as $1,000? Even with insurance, co-payments, and deductibles, it can still cost between $50 and $200 or more. But when you need emergency medical services, these costs should not be a concern. Acting on its commitment to provide high-level emergency medical services, the Glendale Fire Department has developed Glendale Medic, a voluntary membership program to help prevent these unexpected expenses. For only $60 a year, Glendale Medic gives residents unlimited access to emergency medical services and emergency transport from any Glendale location to local area hospitals. Membership covers the applicant and all family members living in the same household, all for the same low price. Local business owners can also offer the program as a benefit to their employees. Glendale Medic for Business provides the same service for up to 10 employees for the same price of $60 a year. For businesses with more than 10 employees, it's only $24 more a year for each additional 10 employees. Glendale Medic program members who have insurance and/or Medicare pay no out-of-pocket cost for emergency medical services provided by the Glendale Fire Department. Members who do not have medical insurance will receive a 50% discount on emergency ambulance bills. For added convenience, the membership fee can be added to an existing GWP bill on a monthly or bi-monthly basis, so there are no new bills in the mail to worry about. Belonging to Glendale Medic gives you the peace of mind in not having to worry whether your insurance will pay the bill for emergency paramedic and transport services. For more detailed information about Glendale Medic, please call 818-548-4041. The brochure and application are available for download at glendalefire.org. Speaking of healthcare, the deadline to sign up for health insurance coverage is March 31st. The Verdugo Jobs Center has partnered with Covered California to provide healthcare enrollment assistance to the Glendale community. The center's multilingual certified enrollment counselors work with individuals and families to determine which healthcare plan option best fits their needs and guide them through the enrollment process. Counselors can also help determine if individuals qualify for free or low-cost health plans. All Californians are required by law to have health insurance before the March 31st, 2014 deadline. Those interested in free assistance can contact the Verdugo Jobs Center at 818-937-8011 or visit them at 1255 South Central Avenue to set up an appointment time. Here is a brief message from Covered California about enrollment.
Okay, it's time to set the record straight. Covered California is how Californians can take advantage of the Affordable Care Act. We can help you get quality health insurance right now. To sign up, call 800-787-9159 or go to coveredca.com. You can also use our website to find local in-person help. One of the biggest questions we get here is, does Covered California offer financial assistance? Yes. Covered California is the only place that gives you financial help with your coverage. Millions of Californians will qualify. Find out if you do. All plans include free preventive care. Now, you might have a question about what that means. It means free mammograms, immunizations, cancer screenings, and more. It's a big list, and it's all free. So don't wait. Without insurance, even a small medical issue can cost you big. Call 800-787-9159 or go to coveredca.com and get covered.
– 2013 was one of the driest years on record in California, and current conditions suggest no change in sight for 2014. In response to Governor Jerry Brown's recent declaration of a drought emergency, Glendale Water and Power is asking customers to be mindful of how much water they are using and to voluntarily increase their conservation efforts. Here are some tips to reduce your water consumption at home. Cut your shower time by 2 minutes and install a low-flow shower head. A low-flow shower head can save 15 gallons per shower. Turn off the faucet while brushing your teeth and shaving. A bathroom faucet can use up to 6 gallons per minute. Fix leaking faucets and toilets. A steady dripping leak wastes 15 to 20 gallons of water per day. Wash only full loads in the dishwasher and washing machine. Don't leave the hose running while you wash your car. Use a nozzle with an automatic shutoff. Use a broom instead of a hose to clean driveways and walkways. Water before 9 a.m. and after 6 p.m. when it's coolest to minimize water loss from evaporation. Fix leaking sprinklers and adjust them to avoid wasteful overspray on walkways and driveways. Use an irrigation controller with a rain sensor to prevent unnecessary watering. Glendale Water and Power has invested and positioned itself over the last several years to manage storage of water and has brought online new water wells to supply its customers. It is hoped that these measures will prevent the necessity for mandatory water conservation, but we still need your help. For further information and further water conservation tips, please visit glendalewaterandpower.com or saveourh2o.org. In addition to reducing our water supply, the current drought also poses a serious public safety concern for residents: fire danger. Here is Battalion Chief Tom Marchant with a message from the Glendale Fire Department.
In Southern California, brush fire season is year-round. The Glendale Fire Department is committed to protecting our community, but we need your help. Please, if you haven't cleared the brush around your property, we need you to do so immediately. Help us help you protect our community. For further information, contact us at glendalefire.org or call 818-548-4810.
Brand Library and Art Center is preserving the past and coming into the future. Amazing transformations, beautiful restoration, a return to form. Watch the remarkable transformations and renovations in progress by liking us on Facebook, and join us in March for our reopening celebration. The city of Glendale has a long history of being one of the safest cities of its size in the country, and recent FBI statistics reaffirm this standing. Glendale is currently ranked as the number 5 safest city in the state of California, and number 9 nationally among cities with a population of 100,000 or more. While all Glendale residents should be proud of these rankings, there are still challenges faced by our community. Here are some positive crime trends Glendale experienced in 2013. There has been a reduction in violent crimes, such as robbery and aggravated assault. Response time for emergency calls remains low, even with reduced staffing and increased local traffic. There were also some negative trends seen in 2013. The Glendale Police Department seeks the community's assistance in curbing these trends in 2014. Unfortunately, property crimes have increased. This is a trend for communities that are affluent and enjoy a high quality of life. This increase can be attributed to AB 109, California's public safety realignment law, and the increase of property crime criminals being released and transferred to local counties for supervision. LA County has received 20,000 of these releases. Injury and fatal traffic collisions have increased in Glendale and throughout the region. This is a top priority for our police department, and they are working with other law enforcement agencies on regional strategies to address the problem. The Glendale Police Department has implemented several strategies and partnerships in recent years, despite budget constraints and operationally working with fewer officers and support personnel. And while these year-end statistics indicate some areas to study further and improve upon, Glendale has experienced many public safety successes. Each year, the Glendale Library Arts and Culture Department sponsors the One Book, One Glendale program. This is a citywide reading event designed to promote reading and literacy and to unify our diverse community through the shared experience of reading and talking about the same book. This year's book selection is The Sandcastle Girls, an epic novel of the Armenian genocide by award-winning author Chris Bojalian. Residents are encouraged to read the book and then meet the author on Thursday, February 27th at 7 p.m. at the Glendale Central Library. Chris Bojalian is the critically acclaimed author of 17 books, including 9 New York Times bestsellers. The Sandcastle Girls was a New York Times bestseller and an Oprah.com Book of the Week. Copies of The Sandcastle Girls are available at all library arts and culture locations in a variety of formats, including hardcover, paperback, audiobook, large type, ebook, and e-audio. The books can be reserved from the catalog or borrowed online. For more information about the One Book, One Glendale event, call 818-548-2027. That's it for this episode of On the Move. Join us next month as we continue to explore the interesting things happening in the city of Glendale. You can also stay informed by signing up for our electronic newsletter, City Connections, on the city's website, and by following us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at myGlendale. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.